Do not forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Your notification tab must be on to get updated on our latest videos and unboxing.
We will do the unboxing of 2 Thermo recorder with cloud storage, manufactured by TandD company. These 2 Thermo recorder are made from Japan. TR72NW packed with its data logger, temperature and humidity sensor, 2 AA batteries, manual with warranty certificate and registration code level. While TR75NW packed with its data logger, 2 AA batteries, manual with warranty certificate and registration code level. These logger compared to first one had no temperature and humidity sensor. I will explain later the difference of the two.
Do not forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Your notification tab must be on to get updated on our latest videos and unboxing.
After unboxing, there are few points that describe the difference of the 2 loggers, TR72NW and TR75NW. These differences are important on the application that we are planning to use this device. Basically, it will be beneficial on areas that the humidity and temperature are critical, and need to be monitored even you are far from the site, using only your mobile device as long as you have your internet connection. Please finish until the end. difference between two Thermo recorder TR72 and TR75. In the front, color of the display outline are red and blue and the wording are different specifically on the model. Right side, same with both red power button but difference in sensor inputs. For TR72 and W are designed for humidity and temperature logger. There is one sensor jack on the side. While TR75 and W are designed for temperature that can accommodate two inputs. There are two thermocouple input terminals on the side designated as channel 1 and channel 2. Left side both TR72 and TR75 have Ethernet port for LAN connection and USB port for external charger. Few specification difference from TR72 and W and TR75 and W that explains the sensor ports on both units. For full details of the model and other options please see link below. Web accessibility through its website are written on the description below. You can access your logger trough web connection using computer or mobile application. Useful data that can be generated through TandD cloud storage. Data logs to Excel or to a graph generated on the website. There are also some features like email warnings and so on that I need to understand. If you have some ideas on how to properly use this and get the full benefits from this device, please let me know on your comments.
Do not forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Your notification tab must be on to get updated on our latest videos and unboxing.